Hello students. This particular video is to help you to know the know how to retrieve the API keys, etc., which you would need for the automation, creating automation application. So two things that you would be needing. The first one, so this video could be a little bit technical, but this is only one time that you need to do. You don't need to do it again and again for every application that you develop. It's only one time. If you've done it, fine. If you've not done it, do it now. First of all, we would need the Gemini API key. So type Gemini API key, click when you type that, you would get this screen. In this screen there's a link called get a Gemini API key. So click get a Gemini API key. So once you click get a Gemini API key, you would get to the screen where you again have to go to this get API key. So when you click get API key, you would get, now I've got this screen, you would get a slightly different screen where there will be a pop-up out here. It will be asking you to accept the conditions. There will be two checkboxes. First checkbox is essential. The second checkbox below that is about privacy, which you may or may not, up to you whether you want to share the data or not. So normally I do the first one and then I click next or whatever, save or move to next. I don't remember exactly what the button shows, but then you need to click that first checkbox and then go to next. So once you do that, your key would automatically get generated. In my case, the key, all that part has already been done, and I've deleted the key. And so, now since I'm recording this for the video, so I'm getting this particular screen. So in case you are getting this screen, don't worry, you can generate the API key. But most of you who are doing it for the first time, you will not get the screen. You will straight away, after you accept the conditions, you will straight away get your key. How the key would be visible? Now since for me it has been done, so let me create it. I can put whatever name here. Those who are doing it for the second time, not for the first time, then they might have to do this create API key and then select a project. Select the default Gemini project or create a project, whatever, it's up to you. I would use the same default Gemini project and create key. So when I create key, this is, see, this kind of entry. So you would, most of you who do it for the first time will get this kind of entry automatically. Those who are doing it for the second time, they need to use this button and create this key. So once you get this key, once you get the screen, just click over here, you would get the API out here. Copy this. Once it is copied to clipboard, store it in a text file or a doc file for future reference, which we would be needing. Be very careful. This API key is to be kept carefully accessible only to you, nobody else, because anybody getting hold of this key can impersonate you, would be working using the key, and it would be considered that you are working, and there's no way for anybody to determine whether you are doing it or somebody else is doing. So it could be risky. So in my case, this particular API key that has been generated, I'm going to delete it because it's come on the video, right? So now, for now, I've just stored it. So next video, I'll tell you how to go do the second part. So this is just the first part. A Gemini API key is done.